Hey guys, I wanted to give an update on something I've recently learned about for math counts. When I signed up for this, I saw there was the choice between a national math club and also math counts, which I read about them, and the math club is more for fun. And of course, I like the math counts where we compete. And so I got an email from one of the people at Math Count saying, "Why haven't you signed up for the math club? It's free." And I didn't know it was free. So I went to reading it, and I signed us up, but I still didn't quite know, like, what even is it. But apparently they send out some more activities that we can do, some funner things that are non-competitive, but still hard. But games and activities, and I think that's where I got this Monday's activity, measuring your feet with different items, is from the club. But so there's different statuses. One, you can just be a club member, but if you prove that we've been meeting regularly with at least 4 members, which we have, so I submitted an application for silver status, posted our picture, so we are on the website as Math Club, National Math Club, silver level status. Good, but there's also the gold status. So if we get the gold status at the end of the year, they'll send us a banner we can put on our wall. And I was like, well, what is gold status? So we have to complete a project. So there's 3 different types of projects we could do, and I think this would be a really good idea for us to do. So we got to see what our talents are, though, before we do this. So let me show you the 3 different options. One project we could do is math and art. So what it is, you're supposed to recreate a famous painting. You got to use at least 2 math elements be incorporated in our recreation. So we got to take a picture of, so they gave some examples of a pie skyline. So like if the buildings are there, I'll show you an example down here what they did. So here's a picture of Starry, what's it called? Starry Night. That's the original painting, and here's what someone recreated. And they did pi down here. This building is 3 inches tall, and this one's 1. So 3.1, 3.14. So this is 4 inches, then 1, then 5. So 3.1415. Then the peak of this is 9. So they used the first digits of pi to realign the buildings down here. Okay. And then the other element they used was a sequence. Which sequence? They used a Fibonacci number sequence, which goes 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. You look down here. And how did they use that? Well, these suns or stars or whatever they put up here, they had 2 of them be 1-inch diameter, and then 1 of them 2, and then 1, 3, 5, and 8. And so that's what they did. Now, here's another one. Of course, the recreation is much simpler than the original painting, but they have some elements that they show. I don't know if we have anyone artistic or not, so I think this would be a really good project if we have anyone that's artistic. If not, this is a really good one that I know we can do. Oh wait, not this one. Let's look at this one first. We're still both good, but instructional video. So we have to find math count problems that are on the same concept, and we select 2 that are on the same concept to make a video and teach about. And in that video, we explain the problems, we explain how to solve them, and then we create 2 of our own problems that we just show. So we maybe have like hold them up, and then we just hold up the answers. We don't explain the 2 new ones, but we give some time for them, a video person, whoever's watching it, to follow up on. So that's creating a video. Obviously, if we're going to do this, we'll look at it in more detail. And the third one would be like a community service project, like if we would have a math night or a solve-a-thon. But like these ones, you have to have a lot of, you show all your preparation, and then do some reflecting on how the night went, show all your materials, a photo of the event. So those will be, I want to think about, I'd love to do one of those 3 things so we can receive gold status. Plus it would just be something fun to do. Could be a lot of work, but if we have someone artistic, that would be a pretty good one. And of course, I know we can do the video with no problem. All right, but let's think about that. All right, thanks.